Did say we were getting close to the combining video. Like I said, combine's been out doing a bit of barley. This is their own barley, and yeah, it's a bit of a long haul job, so it's a bit of a sort of all hands to the deck. So we're just coming down into the field just to make a start now. Doing combining. Well, I'm not, I'm hauling corn, but you know what I mean. They just had to drop in the toolbox off, they just had to make sure everything was running right, because first time this machine has been out. So she's a Lexion 580 with a 30-foot cut. So yeah, seems to be making a nice swath. Can't see much in the way of grain on out the back, so yeah. There's just something that just looks good, that sort of, especially when it's sort of cutting through the middle of the field and opening up, and just that line straight through the middle and just a clean stubble.
You keep, open up your heart to me. Let me in, I love your little lies. I love to watch you sleep. Open up your heart to me. Let me in,
So, bit of rape now. So they have done the rape up where this video started. This is actually some rape a bit further sort of down. Just sort of trying to make a start without flattening too much of it. It's a proper, you can't walk through this stuff. It's proper thick. There we go. Wow, it's a proper jungle. Turn all them spotlights off, stop blinding him. So we've got a bit of clear. There we go, she's going now. Obviously you can tell with chopping this, it's quite green. The stalk's quite green. It would take quite a bit to get it dry to bale, and you know there is the green fertilizer argument for it. You know, it will put not so much the nitrogen, more the potash and the phosphates back into the ground, saving on fertilizer costs. So for what you get for it and the either you have trying to get it, why not utilize it? Yeah, that's, we're off on it. So this is the first rape I've done this year, so we've just moved the combine down now, making a start. We've got down here a field below, and looks 2 fields there on the left as well. So The rest of the guys have gone out doing some whole crop and some grass, so they're on a bit of a steady day doing that, and I'm on a steady day doing this. So that's the first tank loader of rate for me this season. We are just, I'm assuming we won't be doing this all day. The crop's just not going to flow the best into the combine. The biggest issue is the tank's full, and you can see there's a bit of a bag there, which, well, it could be possible to put the auger into the top of the trailer, which, yeah, that's one thing that I do, really. So, yeah, see how many, I don't know whether it's 2 or 3 tankfuls in these K2s, it's about the right weight. Find out in a minute, won't it? So yeah, crack on I suppose.